To create a card website for building an online presence, you start by setting up a simple but well-structured one-page site that clearly represents who you are or what your brand offers. Card is designed for fast, lightweight websites, making it ideal for portfolios, landing pages, personal profiles, and social link hubs. Begin by going to the Card website and logging into your account. Once you are in the dashboard, click the New Site button. This will allow you to choose whether to start from a pre-designed template or build your site from scratch. If you are new, it is recommended to use a template because it already includes a clean layout structure. If you prefer full control, you can start with a blank site and manually build each section. After selecting your starting point, click Edit Site to open the Card Builder. This is where you will design your entire website using simple drag-and-drop elements. Start building your structure by adding containers or sections. These help organize your content into clear blocks such as a hero section, about section, and contact section. A strong structure is important for creating a professional online presence. Next, add essential elements like text for headings and descriptions, image for profile or branding visuals, button for call to actions, and links for navigation or social media connections. Once your content is in place, move to the Appearance panel. Here you can adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and background design to match your personal brand or style. Keeping a consistent color scheme helps your site look more professional. Then, add key information that represents your online presence. This may include a short introduction, your skills or services, social media links, and a way for visitors to contact you. Keeping it simple and focused is usually more effective than adding too much content. You can also set your site title and SEO settings in the Site Settings panel. This helps your website appear properly in search engines and makes your page easier to discover online. Before publishing, preview your site on both desktop and mobile to ensure everything looks clean, readable, and well-aligned. Card automatically handles responsiveness, but it is still important to check layout balance. Once everything is ready, click Publish. You can choose a free Card subdomain or connect a custom domain if you want a more professional branding setup. And that's how you create a Card website for an online presence. Choose a template or blank site, build your structure, add content and styling, then publish your site to start showcasing yourself or your brand online.